Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Yahoo Finance app for tracking investments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Yahoo Finance app for tracking your investments, start by unlocking your smartphone. Now, locate the App Store on your device. If you have an iPhone, find the App Store icon. If you're using an Android device, look for the Google Play Store. Tap on the App Store or Google Play Store icon to open it. In the search bar at the top, type Yahoo Finance. Press the search button to begin. You will see a list of results related to Yahoo Finance. Look for the app with the Yahoo logo and Finance in the title. Tap on the app to view more details. Once on the app page, find the Download or Install button. Tap the Download or Install button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the app to download. Once installed, locate the Yahoo Finance app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the icon to open the app. You will be greeted with the main dashboard of Yahoo Finance. If prompted, sign in with your Yahoo account or create a new one. Now you can start tracking your investments with the Yahoo Finance app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.